Hello everybody, this is Bui from mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade sweet rolls right at your home that are perfectly buttery, sweet, fluffy, and so delicious. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. To start, we are going to combine bread flour with instant yeast. We are also adding in white sugar, salt. Then we're gonna whisk everything together. Next, we're gonna create a well in the middle of the flour mixture. Then add lukewarm water. Now using a wooden spoon, mix everything together until the flour is moistened. Now we're gonna knead the dough for a good 8 minutes. At 5 minutes mark, we're gonna add butter and continue to knead for another 3 minutes. Make sure your butter is at room temperature, guys. Your dough should be elastic and slightly stiff, but not dry. Just like so, guys. Next, oil the inside of a mixing bowl. Put dough in the bowl and turn the dough over to coat it all with olive oil. Then cover with a plastic wrap and let it proof for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, this is how our dough should look. Punch it down, then divide it into 8 equal pieces. Shape the dough into round balls and place it on a parchment lined baking sheet or a greased baking sheet. The next thing we are going to do, take a stick or a knife and make a dent in the middle. Make sure that you cut deeper inside the dough. Cover with a clean kitchen towel and let it brew for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, dust the rolls with all-purpose flour, then bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. I just pulled out the rolls out of the oven, guys. They smell amazing. My house smells like a bakery. These rolls are delicious alone or smeared with butter. I hope you enjoyed this video. Try this recipe. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my